Why, hello everyone! I'm your lovely host, Innocent, and welcome back to Innocent's Voice Acting Advice, or as we like to call it here, Eva! Today's topic is, are classes specific to voice acting really worth it? For the longest time, I thought the answer to this question was no. Mostly since I could only find online courses and nothing that I could personally get behind. Most of the time, the prices of these classes were well over $500. And sure, they had established voice actors coming in to help teach and coach, but it just didn't seem worth it to me. I learned that I work a lot better in smaller groups and in person. So was I right before to think that it wasn't worth it? Technically, but only for me. To someone else, those online courses might be the perfect fit and they might soar because of it. All in all, I would say that overall, they are worth it. But you need to find what works best for you. What environment you function in best and what's your price range. A mixture of everything, plus a little bit of snooping to make sure it isn't a scam, will help out almost everyone who is passionate about pursuing voiceover. My recommendation is that you just start searching for what you can find online, in person, what have you. Find the one that looks best to you and your interests, and just go for it. Well, once you got the money, at least. Nearly all of these classes are here to help and are taught by people who are as passionate about this as you are, if not more. I learned that when people are truly passionate about what they do, they want to share it with whomever they can who are also passionate. Just be careful out there. The internet can be a shady, shady place. Anywho, thank you for watching. Have any other suggestions or requests for other Eva topics? Leave them in the comments below. Or you can at me on Twitter, Creating Love. I'm more than happy to help to the best of my ability. This has been episode number 41 of Eva. Break a leg and go out there and voice act to your heart's content. We never speak of that. Anyway, if you liked what you just watched, feel free to click or tap here and it will take you to the latest video on my channel. Or you can let the YouTube algorithms choose a video it thinks you'll like. Magic! And of course, you can click or tap over here to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Come join the cult! We're always open to new members. Anywho, I hope to see you all soon. Peace out. Bye-bye!